Alright, so I'm in Homegoods right now. This picture is $300. I've been loving all the Western stuff. Then we have this guy down here. He's only 130 and 59 and 99. Okay, I got here as soon as they opened, so we have more, leeway to look at furniture from afar without a lot of people. Check out this butterfly for $49.99. It's actually kind of cool. And this lamp, a little tulip lamp. Let's see, Rachel Ashwell, and $100. They do have like those small versions of these lamps too. I mean, they are cute. And sometimes you could find those in pink. $150 for these chairs. There's some studding on the side. $500. We've seen these before. They are nice though. I do like the black house of black trim. In a different location, I think it was more like a white trim or like a tan. These are still here. They swivel. We've seen these many times. And $400. $250. That's kind of a cute one. $80. Yeah, most of these are double and they're like 100, 80 to 100, I want to say. The large ones are a little more, 130. It's like a little mini paper mache. Not mache, but like paper. That hasn't changed.
I watched the first game last night. Saw my boy. He did really well. Yeah, he looked good. He looked real good. But I fell asleep.
These are going to be $200. Oh, check out that heart one. $59.99. $50. You could buy 2 of them. Now, I wish they had like 2 of these. Sometimes they do. $49.99. I feel like if you buy this one, I always see all the time, I feel like you need 2 of them. I mean, that's always here. $200. $49.99. And then $59. This one says like a tile. That's $59.99. Looks like this one's $80. Let me put this up here. $39.99. And look how pretty. Just love like the colors like that. It's a photo frame. The Sketch Lady. Now if you're into the Sketch Lady, we could see her all the time in Ross. Now the large one is $130. Let me pan out. There we go. That's right. $80. And $40 right here. You get 2 of them. Okay, that guy's still here. I see you, I get you, I love you. 80. And then I move this one. Oh, the champagne one, 35. lady. Should we get takeout? Okay, no. Stop subliminal messaging. Okay, this one caught my eye. I don't know, I kind of like this. It's going to be 40. It's kind of giving me like very cloudy season. There's a storm coming. I think because it's dark. I don't know, but I do. I kind of like that.
Or something different.
It's by Thomasville. See, if you buy the bedding, there's bedding like this, the duvets. This is $49.99. I mean, if you really want to be matchy, this is kind of cute. Very cute and simple. It's only $20. This could be like a side desk lamp, or maybe something for like your room, apartment, or something. Thinking of a tiny space that you want to, you know, girl up. $40 right here. This is by Mac Studio. This is kind of cool. I am a fan of these types. Let's see. Oh, it's only on and off. I thought it would get brighter. This is a LED touch lamp. You have to plug it in.
Oh, yeah. That'd work. Yeah.
Is that the bunny with the bunny ears coming out of the lamp?
Yeah.
Oh no, the bunny ears are on top. That's funny, and there's the bottom. $29.99. And look at the shade. That's pretty cool, actually. I wonder if that pretty. Oh, see, I love this lamp. I was trying to tell my daughter about this lamp. I was talking to her about like her room. I'm like, you're gonna curl it up or just yapping? 70. It's cute. Think of a cute desk lamp or a cute like side table lamp. Just like very dainty cute. I like that. Then we have more rabbits. And by Shabby Chic, this one's kind of cool too. We have little hummingbirds, and these are $49.99. Which reminds me, I need to put food in the hummingbird feeder. $70. That's kind of cool too. Yeah, I like these dainty ones. And then you're gonna move it. And then towels. These are the prints I've been going for. I actually need a few more. Yeah, the DKNY. These are like $8 to $9 in here. There's cute stuff in the back. A lot of green. Then we get to the blues. Here's one. That's cute. 10. A little collection. Then you had the dispenser. Okay, they got like the whole thing. Now we need a soap dish. 15. This is 80. Has one with little butterfly knobs too. And again, these marble little soap ones, they're perfect. They're 10. $12.99. $12.99. It's a little doggy toilet brush holder. I don't like these fancy toilet brush holders. I don't know, because you gotta like clean that too, you know what I mean? And everything's white. And then again, the all black, which I think we did see in a different location. Then we have your cute dainty pink. You have the bows. This is a cute one. 15. Isn't that cute? It's pretty. Look, they had the soap pump to match too. 15. And the little like tray, 17. Pinks are down here. Uh-oh. Okay, that's kind of funny. It says "I chew on it." Here's your little tissue one. This is 20 fresh. 8 little toothbrush holder, scrub on the soap dish. The full and queen is $70 for a Tommy. 70 if you want the king. A 7-piece comforter set. You get everything in here. This is a nice set, actually. I have to look for this price, but I think this might be like, if that's 70, this has to be like 75-ish to 80. $80. See, I was right. You catch on. And a lot of duvets are popping up here, which is pretty cool. Right now is the season. When it hits spring, we get more bedding, and when it's time for like back to school, like dorm stuff, you get bedding, and that's when they bring out more of the twin extra large. These are 20. This is just a 10-piece. See, they're not twin extra large, they're just a twin, but I know most like dorm rooms and stuff like that, they do are extra large 20. This is for full, all white, but I like these DKNYs. I have a green stripe. We've seen these, and that's 40. Then we have this queen one, which they have a lampshade like that. That's what I was like, oh, cute. The stripy one. Okay, let me look back here in the corner. Here's a light blue Tommy one. So again, king is 80, and the queen, I think it was 60 or 70.
Which one?
The queen.
Oh, that was 70.
Yeah.
And then the big one was
$29.99. I don't see it. Maybe down here. This one's by Rachel though. It's really nice, all in white. Then we have the white Tommy one. The stripe is the trim. $59.99. That's for a king. It's just a quilt sham set. You pan out, look at more. $40. It comes in blue. You want 2 fluffy pillows for your bed. $49.99. Do you guys like a lot of pillows on your bed? I think I did, but now I don't care. And they also have it in blue. $59.99. It comes in green too. They also have in white. Try to turn around. Tommy Bahama. Looks like these are gonna fall. And this one looks really comfy, actually.
Excuse me.
Let's see. These are 80. Those look comfy. It's a 3-piece comforter set. This is for a king. Full queen. Another twin, $59.99. Then $70 for the king on a linen cotton blend. Alright, I really love this. I'm gonna try to make it to Decor. $12.99. I love that. The cocktail spoons. I know we've seen these trays. This peacock is $17. Now the crowd's coming in. See, I knew. I was like, I gotta get here in the morning. Gotta get here in the morning. Oh, look at these. These are 4. I've never seen these. Look, they're like little shooters. They're kind of cool. Cute little tangerine butter dish. This is 10. Then your white dish is here. Is that an olive? Oh, you know, we've seen that. Okay. Some of these plates, though, are on red tag. It's 6 from 8 now on the Lennox butterfly. So we have this Alice in Wonderland mug set, no price on it. The Ray Dunn Honey one. Let me pan in so you can look a little better. It's 10. I love these stoneware plates. There's a cute like pie, or I mean like cake stand right there. I can't get to it. And all your pinks, flamingos, your lemon. These are $8 for the napkin one. We have the caddy, and then we have all your greens and lemons. These tomato ones are really cute. I'm actually kind of craving like tomatoes, olive. Want to go by the garden department real quick to see if we see anything new. But I have a feeling we're not. It's the same. Look at this guy. This guy's new.
No, that's neat.
He's gonna bite you. And that's what it looks like. He's mad. He's protecting his nest. The nest. It's actually gonna be 40.
Yeah.
Have your lemon. The frog ones, the $29.99. Then we like this one. Oh my gosh, you guys, that video that I did, look at everyone cleaned it out. I wasn't able to tell you the sun. Someone did ask me, but I thought I did share it. Wow. That's kind of cool to see it like condensed. Oh, is that a whale? 15. I know they have like a larger whale. Yeah, he's 15. The cat's 25. 29 for that in the back. The squirrel friend is still here. The giraffe. Someone just took the little mushroom one for your plant, which was really cool. See, when I see stuff like this, I wish I got paid for that. You know what I mean? Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here on home decor. Everything looks the same. I really wanted to concentrate on like some wall art and lamps in this location. Please stay safe. Please give this video a thumbs up. It does help my channel out, and I do see it changing a little bit. So thank you all so much for taking your time out of your day and night to view my video. Not like it, you know, it's all good. But it does help me right now support a college student. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.